Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making flavorful and aromatic chicken roast. Soft, juicy chicken cooked in rich masala, perfect for special occasion or festive meals. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 5 to 6 soaked cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon soaked raisin, 1 small mace, 1 small nutmeg, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon milk powder, 1/4 cup fried onion, and half cup onion. Mix and pour into a blender. Cashews gives natural creaminess to gravy. Milk powder adds slight richness. Blend smooth. Take 6 pieces of chicken. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder. Mix well and fry on medium heat for 1 minute. Do not skip initial chicken frying. Keep aside. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 green cardamom. Add the blended masala. And roast on low heat. Whole spices enhances aroma and depth. Slow roasting brings out deep flavor. Add 1/4 cup water and cook the masala well. Roast masala properly for best taste. Add 2 tablespoon water. And roast for 5 minutes until oil separates. Add the chicken pieces and cook for 5 minutes. Pour 1 cup water. Adjust water for desired gravy thickness. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Cook on low heat to avoid burning. Add another 1 cup of water. Chicken is a good source of protein. Homemade roast contains no preservatives. Nuts provide healthy fats. And cook for 15 to 18 minutes until tender. Garnish with fried onion and serve hot. Spices support digestion. Your rich and aromatic chicken roast is ready. Serve with pulao, naan or roti. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Innovative Foods for more special recipes.